Hey guys, I got another great quick pool tip for you. So I'm out here working on my swimming pool and started filling it up with water, and one of my older hoses let go, so I had to stop the flow of water. It's not all the way up there yet water level wise, but there's enough to go into the filter area. So I'm going to show you what I did real quick to stop the flow of water going through my hose and through the filter. I had this white hose let go on me. It split while the pool was filling it up. I didn't notice the split in it. It didn't have a split in there last season, but it did this season. It just kind of got brittle. So the water started going into my skimmer. It got a leak right there, right before the shutoff. So what I did to prevent the water from coming out of here so I could swap this hose out is I shut my valve off there. And I took a tennis ball and I just put a tennis ball right down in here. And the force of the water will help keep it in place because it'll suck down, and it won't totally stop the flow of water, but it'll stop it quite a bit, almost to like a little drip. And when you're done, you get your hose connected up, you just take the tennis ball back out, and then you can let the flow go through. Now, on the other side, where your return is into the pool, I don't have a shutoff on that line. So if you don't, and you need to prevent that from going through, what I've done before is I've taken this part off of the return off the filter into the pool, take it and hang it over the edge of the pool into the water, and that'll stop the water from coming out of the return on you through the filter. So just another trick, and those are just a couple things I've done to help prevent the water coming out of the pool if you spring a leak in one of the hoses. Hope this helps you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any great tips, leave a comment if you'd like to hear them. Thanks for watching, guys.